Me and you know what I've been feeling, you know what I mean? So I'm just hoping for the best.
Yeah, let's hope for the best, guys. Keep prayers.
Yeah.
Hello, good morning, where do you came from? Perfect stranger I've been waiting on. Right place at the right time. Nobody can tell me you ain't mine. Yeah. To be honest, I've never been this bold. Your personality, it warms my soul. All they ever do is lie to you, baby. Tell them other niggas bye-bye. Yeah. Come over here, so I know you love my accent.
Get up.
Daddy's gonna get you, boy.
Stand up for your foot then. Stand up. Stand up.
Stand up, Bobo.
Let me say. Get up. No.
Island, say hi to everybody.
This is where I'm moving. Stand up for your foot then.
Say hi to everyone. Island. Hi, everyone. Hey.
No. I see you on stay, Bobo.
Daddy.
I heard something shuffling, you know?
Yeah, be careful.
I can't do the repeat of guana again, you know?
Hey.
So active. Yay! This is what he loves, guys. A big field to just run up and down, huh?
Mushrooms.
Is that mushroom that makes you high?
I don't know.
I don't know the difference, and I don't want to know either.
I don't know.
But it's good to know for knowledge. But yeah,
Don't lie, you want to indulge.
I'm not into those things. Not at all.
Good. Very good. Anzac Park. We follow you, Bobo.
Foot there, boy, run.
Island. Wagwan, Island.
Give all the action motion.
I go get you. Run, baby, run.
So guys, welcome to my brand new gym. Just established in Australia, you know. So yeah, gotta test it out, you know. Groundbreaking moment right now. You see, it's let's go. So what you wanna do first, right? What you wanna do first, guys? You wanna sit over here, right? And you wanna put your foot like this. See it? And that's it. Alright, so that is a little tutorial right there. Thanks for watching, and that's the end of it. Come to my gym, Afrik gym, right here in Australia, Kayoko. Seeing? Blessings. I'm just joking, guys. I've never been to a gym or used gym equipment before. Yeah, so but yeah, they have a few stuff here. Bobo here, you know, trying out one of them. Yeah, guys. Noise. One over there as well.
Oh wow, these are pretty good. Try these out, babe.
What do I do exactly?
Chest press.
So you just keep lifting like that?
Yeah.
That's the only motion it goes anyway.
Oh my god, guys.
We found a seesaw, guys. Oh my god. This one looks so different. Look at the spring.
Ready?
Me Jesus, babe. Boomba! Get your boss! Papa Island!
Papa
Whoa!
Island.
Whoa, take your time, babe, take your time!
Papa Island!
You gotta make a fly, babe! Stop, babe, stop, babe! You feel like you're gonna fly?
What?
No, you feel like actually, what the way we are come like we are gonna come all the way over here.
Excuse me! This is not Big Mama!
Oh! Babe, stop, stop. What are you doing?
Baby, you're gonna put your feet up here.
My feet?
Yeah,
Is that a thing?
yeah, that's how it goes. Alright, there you go.
Oh my God. Whoa. Jesus. Whoa. Alright. Alright, babe, alright.
Alright, slow down.
I swear, babe, this feel like it would actually throw me off. That's how it feels. Yeah. Bro, this is springy. It's not like the one in Jamaica where you have to put a lot of pressure to get it going, you know what I mean? Good job.
Gotta climb on it like this, but my shoes aren't safe.
This is a nice park, guys. Nice little kids park, you know?
Go on, Papa. Yeah, hang on the tackle. Gotta hang on it.
Model play. What the hell? Have you ever played this one, baby? Ugh, that's stuck. Ugh. Brum brum. Oh, you found brum brum. Okay, that's where brum brum was. Okay. Brum brum. Brum brum. Yeah. What are you doing there?
Nothing, just chilling.
Oh, Jesus. What's this park called again?
Anzac Park.
Anzac. Anzac Park. You're in Kyogo.
Mama got up here, look. Oh, crap. Wait. Hey. Big kid Maria.
Yeah.
Uy, la puta madre.
Oh, God.
You go up there, babes.
Me?
Yeah.
I probably. Oh my God.
Yeah. Here's the camera.
Why should I do that? I should crawl around.
You should.
Huh?
You should, but it's alright, go. Yeah. Island, look, Dad.
I'm not even going. What the hell? Oh, okay. All right. Yes, Bingy. I realized I stretched my foot out too long, so I had to like hook them up. Yeah.
Show me a cooler now. Oh no, babe, you got a stain right on your cooler.
I hope it don't look like that.
It does. It does.
Oh my God. Hey guys. Hey Bubba.
Daddy, what's Daddy doing, Island? What's Daddy doing?
Oh, careful.
That's alright. He's not crying. He's good. Monkey Daddy. Yeah.
Yeah, guys. Don't try this at home, guys.
Look, he's puffed out, guys.
Of course I am. What are you doing? Yes, Rasta.
Dugu on the tree.
Oh my god. As we saw Bobo calling for our attention a while ago to show us something. It's a little butterfly.
Little white one.
Wow! Bobo! That's beautiful.
Wow, that's good, Island.
Mm.
He's gone, look.
Look, fly.
Fly away, bye. Say bye-bye.
He's gone, Bobo.
He's gone, Bobo.
Good boy.
Come. Ready? Are you ready? 1, 2, 3. Whee!
Hey, good job.
You do it now. Go. Yay! Again. Say again, Dada, again.
Bobo.
Again, Dada.
Let's do
Whee!
Good job.
Good
Bravo.
job. Bravo, Papa.
Hey. Oh, you want to go again? Okay. You love it.
His culo's dirty now.
Yeah. Alright.
Huh?
Ready?
Yeah.
Ready, set,
Woo!
That's a good move. Climb.
Climb, Bobo. Get it, Bobo.
Get up there.
Go.
We have to make sure we're up here though.
Slide with him, babe.
My
Put him
cooler
on.
dirty for you?
Nah, it's alright. It's dirty, but it's okay. You're only going to the doctors and going home. Are you ready?
Yeah.
1, 2, 3.
I can hardly go down. I can hardly move. Yeah guys, so the reason why we're out here in Kyogle right now is I have a doctor appointment, you know, so yeah, not really disclosing much with that right now, but just know that I need to get checked out, you know. Yeah.
Just a random, you know, or just a general checkup, guys.
Yeah.
Nothing too worrying or anything like that.
Yeah.
Careful, babe, there's mud there.
Yeah.
Yeah, so hope you guys enjoyed this little adventure.
Yeah.
It wasn't much, but you know, just a little something.
Yeah.
Yeah. Island?
Just I hope so everything is good still.
Dang. Say hi to all your grandmas, YouTube grandmas. Kiss everyone. Kiss. Mwah. Hi guys.
Welcome back, guys. So,
Welcome back to the Island family, Island Tribe.
welcome, Island Tribe. Yeah, man. So this is as you guys see from the earlier clip. So this is the next day, I should say. Yeah, from yesterday when I went to the doctor. So he's the doctor that I went to see. He's an Asian doctor, which is Babe doctor, you know, and he
knows Jamaica very well. He lived in Jamaica for 8 years.
Yeah, lived and worked in Jamaica.
St. Anne Hospital, I think he said.
St. Anne, yeah.
Yeah.
So he been a doctor there for 8 years, you know, so he knows Jamaica and thing, you see. So yeah, because Babe been telling me about him before I got here, you know. So yeah, and as I entered the room, he was like, "Wagwan, man," and all that, you know. So yeah, so it's a good vibe, you know. So he said he loved Jamaica, but I guess what, because of the pay? Why did he leave?
The money, and I think he said like the crime there is no good.
Yeah,
he
the
said,
crime.
like it's not good to live because of the crime.
Yeah. Well, that's just his opinion, you know.
That's
so
his opinion.
some people might argue with that, but we know the reality in some places, you know. So yeah, that was his move, you know.
I guess people just fear.
Yeah.
You know, just fear like, you know, other parts of the world, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
They're worried that if they live there, I mean, he was there for 8 years, so pretty much
8
he
years.
lived there.
Yeah, he lived there.
And so Babe liked him, and he's a good doctor,
Yeah,
guys.
he's
I've been
cool.
going to him since I've moved here from Sydney.
Yeah.
For 6 years or something. So yeah, no, he's really good, guys. So
Yeah.
I can't really say much more, but Babe's just done some blood work.
Yeah, I got my blood test done, and you know, they took my pee sample and all that, and I have to get an ultrasound and all that, you know. So I'm just hoping for the best, guys. I'm not gonna give much information other than that, you know, but yeah, I'm just hoping for the best, you know.
Jeez, you're making it sound like you've got bloody HIV or something.
No, but I mean, I'm just not trying to put too much information out there at the same time, but I also update you guys with what's going on.
Yeah.
You know, so me and you know what I've been feeling, you know what I mean? So
yeah.
Yeah, so that's all I can give for now. You know, but yeah, I'm just hoping for the best.
Yeah, let's hope for the best, guys. Keep prayers.
Yeah.
All right.
All right.
Blessings.
Thank you, guys. Bless up.